I'm here with Patrick Joggerst, Chief Marketing Officer at Ribbon. Thanks for joining us.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here with you.
Can you just tell us what Ribbon is showcasing here at MWC LA?
Yes, this is an important show for us. We have been an annual participant at MWC Barcelona. This is the first time in Los Angeles, so we've taken the opportunity to look at some of the products that are new to the market that we're bringing. Our unified communications platform, our CPaaS platform, our Ribbon Analytics, and our edge devices. So it's really looking at a suite of services that can help mobile carriers provide enhanced revenues.
Okay. You've been talking more and more about analytics.
Yes.
Can you tell us how you've included these within your own portfolio?
Analytics is an important part of our portfolio overall. It's becoming part. One of the things that we're finding, the service providers in the world are really having a need to make sure that they can mine the data that they have. So we're working with some of the largest carriers in the world in two areas. One, which is big data analytics, looking at correlation of faults in a network to be able to create a self-healing network. The second one is really monetization. So taking the information that a carrier has from their subscribers and looking at ways that they can take that to provide a higher level of service or to prevent churn.
Okay, so you talked about your sort of customers there a little bit. You've got deals with AT&T and KPN, to name but two, on the Candy platform. Can you tell us a little bit more about that?
Yeah, Candy is what we call our platform as a service, right? So there's really three flavors of that that I mentioned. CPaaS. So what AT&T has done is they've introduced something called the AT&T API Marketplace to compete with the likes of Twilio, right? So they've got Fortune 500 customers that are saying, look, I would rather get more of my communications from AT&T than less. And so they're actually using the platform that we've white labeled for AT&T, which is called Candy CPaaS writ large. The other part of our portfolio is our unified communications as a service. So one of the things that's important about for us here in Los Angeles, the city of Los Angeles is actually a customer of ours for our UCaaS platform. So Los Angeles Police Department, Los Angeles Library, City Hall, all of it's using our unified communications. In the case of KPN, they're an important customer as well for our CPaaS platform, one of the largest carriers in the Netherlands, and they are actually building applications and putting embedded communications into workflows using our video APIs and our voice APIs. The other thing I should mention is I was just in Dubai 2 weeks ago where we announced Etisalat, the largest carrier, one of the largest carriers in the Middle East, launching a private instance of our Candy platform, provide unified communications throughout the UAE and to the other countries where they have operating companies.
Nuisance calls are a big issue. We've heard about it here already on the keynote stage. What are you guys doing in that area?
It's a huge issue, right? So we actually had Eric Berger, who's the CTO of the FCC here in the US, at our annual user conference in Washington, D.C. this last June. And what he articulated is the overall issue, right? That the Federal Communications Commission, the regulator, really needs to mandate that carriers invest in platforms that can prevent robocalling. And Ribbon has developed that kind of a platform. So it's part of our analytics platform writ large, right? Where we've got the ability to take a tremendous amount of data. So when I mentioned monetizing data for increased revenues or make a network self-healing, one of the other aspects of that same analytics platform is to be able to prevent robocalling.